Are you relocating here in Central Florida? However, you don't know which specific new construction home and community that you would like to live in? This brand new construction home, move-in ready, is available for you right now. Also, a bonus for you, I will tell you the pro and the cons living in this particular community and also on this brand new home with a swimming pool. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go! Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you quick. My nickname is RJ, your favorite incredible realtor with LPT Realty, specializing here in Central Florida. Also, a quick summary of our channel. We upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. a new construction deal and VIP tour just for you, and you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe and share this video to all your family and friends, especially for those who wants to move here in Central Florida and own a new construction home. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let me tell you about this new construction home. This is Santa Barbara model by ABD Builder. The ABD is a luxury builder, and also they built a good quality home, not just here in Central Florida, they also built in South Florida. However, this particular home is about 2,760 square foot, and this is 4 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2-car garage, and a swimming pool. So a quick summary, they built on different houses. For this particular model or a quick move-in home, they built this as a swimming pool home. However, you can pick if you want to build without the swimming pool. It depends on your preference. And also, while we watching this, I will tell you about the pro and the cons living in this community itself, right? So the number one pro that I would like to talk about here is the golf course. Yes, we will have a golf course here inside of this community. Where this new construction home is located at is just because of the community. This community is super huge, is super big, that you can have a golf course inside of the community. The numbers 2 pro tip for you if you're going to live here is the guarded community. The guarded gate community will serve your safety, and also they will be there 24/7 for your safety, so no one can solicit in your home, which is I really love, because as soon as I bought my new construction home here, we don't have a gate community, and I had a lot of solicitors knocking on my door and offering so much stuff. That annoys me. I'm just being honest. The third one, or the third pro that I would like to talk about here, you will have a gym here. Yes, you will have a gym that you don't have to pay extra, which will be included on your HOA, which is a pretty good for me because I'm a fitness fan, or I like to work out. So if I will live in this community, you don't have to pay extra for your gym membership. Number 4 for the pro tip here is the playground. Yes, in this community itself, you will have a playground, especially if you have little kids. Here you go, they can go there on the playground and play as much as they want. And the last 2 that I would like to talk about here, you will also have a tennis court and a resort style swimming pool, right? This resort style swimming pool, you will have a slide there and also a heated pool on the other swimming pool. You will have 2 pools here plus a tennis court. How good is that one, right? And the last one for my pro here, which is my favorite one, is there's no CDD. As you know, a lot of new construction community here in Central Florida, if you're gonna buy a property with no CDD, it's a bonus for you. However, the pricing here will be a little bit more compared to the community with CDD. But if you don't like a CDD completely, this community itself has no CDD, and you will get a better value of your home because of no CDD, right? Let's go for the cons. I know I talk a lot of pros, and my cons personally on this community itself, from gate community or on the entrance of the community, it will be 2 miles from the gate to get into this particular home or in this particular area where you're going to live, right? So 2 miles is about 10 to 15 minutes because there are speed limit inside of the community, and I believe it was only 30 miles and some road is 10-20 miles per hour. So from there, 2 miles, that's a little bit long to drive. For me personally, I like to be, as soon as I come out on my driveway, I want to be on the main road. But unfortunately, this one is about 2 miles from the gate of the community, which is a con for me. The second con is school bus can go inside and can slow down the traffic, especially if you are driving slow and if you are on the rush. You will be on the back of the school bus. For me, this is a cons, but for some of you, this could be a pro as well, because if you have kids inside of the community, they can jump in the school bus, so you don't have to go all the way to the school to drop them off. But however, I put this in a cons because especially if you are in the rush and you don't like the school bus taking time to drop off and pick up kids, that's a con for me personally, right? The next one is the tourist traffic. The tourist traffic in here is just about so much because this location itself is not far from Disney World. If you know that Disney World is about less than 15 miles away from this community, so you will see a lot of traffic, especially on the holiday season for those people who come in here to check out the Disney World and all the theme park itself, right? So the tourism here, the traffic outside of the community is not the best, so I put that in my cons as well. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the limited local job opportunities, right? So if you are looking for tourism job or hospitality, you will get a plenty of jobs here. However, apart from those jobs, you might find it's difficult or there's not a lot of job opportunity for you in this community because of the limited job offer, right? Some jobs might be in Orlando or in Tampa, which you need to drive for about an hour or more or less from this community itself. The next one that I would like to talk about here, the cons, is the lack of public transport, or exactly no public transport, right? So if you don't know how to drive, you need probably a driver or the one who could drive you from where you need to go inside of this community to the place that where you want or you need to go. It's just because of there's no public transport that you can come and pick you up and drop you off on your destination, fortunately. So you need to have a car to live in this community itself. So the next one I would like to talk about here is the ongoing construction, because right now here in Central Florida, there's a lot of construction going on here, and by doing that, you can have a lot of noises and strain and infrastructure going on that might annoy you because of too much construction going on. This is Davenport. They are growing county which will be developed in the future. However, right now, if you are planning to come here and just to retire or feel like you are, you want to be on the quiet place, this construction might be your issue. However, for those people who doesn't care about new construction or construction going on, well, this one could be not cons for you. So that's my pro and cons, and this is the property, which is a very nice community and also a new construction home, a quick move-in home, and they are giving so much buyer incentive if you are interested to this home. If you stay in this video until this end, comment down below new home on the comment section, or if I missed something like a pro that you would like to put in here or a cons, feel free to say on the comment box below. And if you have any question, please follow me on my other social media like Instagram or Facebook, and then you can ask me question about this stuff. I help a lot of people relocating from the other state or a local client that who needs to own a new construction here in this particular community or here in Davenport. This is the video for today. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Peace. Hold on, this one P. No, this one P. P. No, this one peace. Bye.